welcome to Bedazzle Me. Today I want to show you how I make these really fun, colorful feather earrings from a silk screen designed by Joy Coleman from Ojoycreations. So let's get going. So I've rolled out a layer of white Kato clay on my thickest setting of my pasta machine, laid it down on my work surface, and then I took the silk screen and pressed it and varnished it down onto the clay. And then I took the different colors that I wanted and I dropped little pieces of paint, little drops of paint. I'm using apple bottle paints. So here I'm just using my finger to make sure that the complete width of the design is completely covered by paint. And then I'm going to take my squeegee, start at the top, and just swipe down. Oh, let's get it focused here. That's better. And I'm just going to hold it at like a 45 or even maybe a 20-degree angle and just swipe the paint down. This project was so much fun. I found myself giggling a lot during it because silk screens are just so much fun. And here's the reveal. Look how fun that is! It's so colorful and bright. I love it. And I just love using white clay for this project because the colors pop so well with the white clay. So now I just moved the pattern over and am using, same thing, again, a white piece of Kato clay. And then I'm drizzling my colors onto the pattern and I'm going to manipulate the paint with my fingers so that the paint covers the whole width of the pattern. And then I swiped again, and then, so here are my two swipes. I wanted to use this cutter that is also by Joy Coleman, but it was a little too small. I wanted to get every last bit of this really cute feather onto my finished piece. And so, unfortunately, that really fun cutter by Joy Coleman did not fit. So you can see I'm just bending my tissue blade to sort of cut out these ovals or these oblong circles. Then I put an eye pen in between them and baked them, and made two of them and got my finished product. If you do decide to do this project, please post your pictures in the comments below and let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'll post all of the materials used in the description below. Thanks for getting bedazzled with me today. Bye!